sterilized tube of peristaltic pump before preparing bottom medium. Set heating temperature 121 degrees centigrade, heating time 30 minutes when preparing bottom medium. Make sure the temperature is under 100 degrees centigrade, and the pressure is shown as 0 when filling glucose and VB. Open autoclave knob to fill glucose and VB. Place blank Petri dishes from station 1 to the back in sequence, maximum 30 Petri dishes per station. Rotate the holder after placing Petri dishes. Check carefully whether any Petri dishes were placed upside down or broken. Lid face up and bottom face down. Insert the filling tube of peristaltic pump to inlet of the autoclave. Clasp the filling tube. Place a blank Petri dish at outlet of the filling tube to hold waste agar during emptying. Click Empty. Click Stop once there is a stable flow. Click Reset. Click Start Experiment after reset is complete. Clean pipeline and transfer Petri dishes. Insert the tube inside autoclave into a container with hot water above 60 degrees centigrade. Remove the filling tube and place it in a container of waste agar. Click Empty for more than 3 times to clean the pipeline. Transfer Petri dishes after culture medium is cooled down and solidified. Top medium cup and lid, plus or minus S9 cup and lid, sample pipette tip holder. Bacterial pipette tip holder and consumables should be sterilized before the experiment. Consumables include 10 ml centrifuge tubes, 5 ml centrifuge tubes, 1 ml extension tips, 5 ml extension tips, and shaking tubes. Turn on the UV lamps both in instrument and biosafety cabinet, 1 hour before the experiment. Sterilize by ultraviolet for 20 minutes. Turn on the fan of biosafety cabinet. Pipette the cultured nutrient-deficient bacteria into 10 ml centrifuge tubes and label. Pipette the prepared samples, positives and solvents into 5 ml centrifuge tubes and label. Put Petri dishes in the oven back to the Petri dish holder. Put Petri dishes from station 1 to the back in sequence. Add shaking tubes, make sure the tube mouth towards left. Put plus or minus S9 cup into holder slot of the instrument. Add S9 into the cooling cup, add minus S9 into the other uncovered cup. Add bacterial solution, samples, solvents, positives, and top medium to corresponding position. Place marking pens into the pen slot securely. Open software. Click Program Setting. Click button in front of the options as per experiment requirements. Click Save as the current program, then click Exit. Click Reset. Click Start Experiment. The experiment is complete. Remove Petri dishes in order after the completion of experiment. Put Petri dishes in incubator for cultivation. Put the remaining consumables in a high-temperature bag to dispose after autoclaving. Wash top medium cup, plus or minus S9 cup and lid. Pipette tip holder for preparing next experiment.